Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to catch and store water for plants. Now, plants need a lot of water to grow, and it's very expensive if you live on city water to constantly be watering them using city water. Now, if you have any way to catch and store that water, you can reuse it in many ways. Now, the easiest ways to catch and store water is by just having little ponds or water features on your property. And then that way, as the rain falls, they'll keep regenerating. You have to add water as well in the heat of the summer, but a lot of water features will attract the water. Another way to store water is to put a garbage can at the bottom of any gutter. Just cut the gutter halfway and put the garbage can underneath, and it will fill up with water. And you can put soaker hoses to that, and that can go right into your flower beds, or you can just manually put the water into your beds. And if you live somewhere where it's really, really dry, you can even store them in underground tanks and then turn around and have a pump, and you can pump the water back up. And especially if you have a marshy or a wet area in the back of your property or on your property, you can always store that water in tanks or just put a pump and a hose up to it and use the water in your garden. But it's great to use water and recycle water, and it's so good for the environment, and it's good for your garden as well.